Hi folks, and welcome to a new video. My name is Jacopo and I'm one of the founders of Dokin. Today I'm going to show you how to use Dokin to pull live data from HubSpot directly in your Google Sheets. So first things first, what is Dokin? Dokin is a no-code solution for your Google Workspace that allows you to connect data coming from external application directly in your Sheets, Slides, and Docs. You can install Dokin directly from your Google Workspace Marketplace. You do that by going through the Extension tab and selecting Get Add-ons. You will be redirected to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Alternatively, you can access the Marketplace directly from the website. Once you're there, the first things to do is to select Dokin, install it, and once you have installed it, you will be able to access it directly within your Google Docs, your Google Sheets, and your Google Slides. To do that, once again, you go to the Extension tab, you select the Dokin add-on, and you click on the Start button in order to launch the Dokin sidebar. So today, what I want to do is I want to set up a live connection with my HubSpot account and update it whenever my HubSpot data changes. So to do that, the first thing is to click on the Import New Data within my Import Data tab on the Dokin sidebar. I will click on that and I can select a source. So today you can import data coming from other Google spreadsheets, from Airtable, and from HubSpot. Today I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot. So once I've selected my HubSpot connection, I can decide whether I want to build a new import from scratch or whether to use a pre-built template to import data and to reuse it whenever I want to import the same type of data framework. In this case, I'm going to build a new data import from scratch. I'm going to connect my account and I will be redirected to this authorization page where I need to choose the account, my HubSpot account that I want to link to my Dokin account. I'm going to choose it. And I'm then going to approve this app connection. Now that this is done, my HubSpot account and my Dokin account are linked. So what I can do now is that I can select some HubSpot objects to import, whether it's contacts, deals, companies, etc., etc. So in this case, I want to pull my contacts and I want to select a bunch of fields to import in a spreadsheet. So I'm going to select, for example, my first and last name, the email, the job title, the lead status, and maybe also the country or region. Now that I have that, I can also add some filters. So let's suppose that I only want to import lead status that are equal to new. And maybe I only want to import contacts that are outside of the USA. So I can say country is not equal to USA. I can give my import a name. I can say contacts test. And I can decide whether I want to refresh automatically these imports on an hourly manner, daily manner, weekly. And in this case, I'm just gonna keep it manual. But if I was to choose hourly, every hour this spreadsheet would update with the latest data of HubSpot. I'm gonna click on import. And as you can see now, Dokin has created a new tab with all my contacts. And so here I have all the data that I wanted to pull. And let's suppose that now one of these contacts was to change. So let's suppose that, for example, here, Rowney was to, let's say I was to finally fill the job title that I hadn't, sales manager. I'm gonna click on save. And now, if I just click on refresh, you're going to see that I finally have my job title on this contact line. Once I have imported this data, I can always edit it. So I can always edit the details of my connection. So for example, let's suppose that I wanted to add a column or remove some, I can always do that. And I could also change my filter. So let's suppose that now I only want to pull contacts for Italy. I can do that, save, and refresh. Now I only have contacts based in Italy. The other thing that I can do is to add it as a template. And once I do that, the next time that I want to import new data, I can simply select this template and the import is going to be done automatically. So that's pretty much it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through the in-app chat that you find on the bottom right of the Dokin sidebar. Or feel free to leave a comment on this YouTube, share it with a pal that might need it. And we're really looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks a lot.